to the Mani and Fariha show. I am Fariha and Mani is here with us in spirit. And we miss her, so we will be looking forward to seeing her very soon. Today's show is about overcoming adversity. How many things do we go through in our own life that we're like, oh my God, I can't get through it. And yet we can't find that motivation or that inner spark to get us to where we want to be. Well, today's guest has overcome tremendous things in his life. When he was actually born with cerebral palsy, and his mother was told that he wouldn't live. When he actually did live, she was told that he would not walk. And then when he learned to walk, people and the medical community felt that he had limited opportunities available for him. But Alan Thrasher is not one to take anything at words value. So he created his own opportunities, and I'm very excited to be speaking with him. He is a muscle activation specialist. He is a cyclist. He is a coach and an author who has recently written a book about how we can overcome the bad habits that we acquire. He has an immense wealth of information and knowledge and wisdom when it comes to things that we eat. And he said that he can change anyone in the span of 30 days. And for all of you who are thinking, oh my God, I cannot achieve my goals in 30 days, well, we beg to differ, because Alan Thrasher is here to ensure that you absolutely do. We will be taking a short break, but when we return, we will be speaking with Alan and everything that he has to offer.